Hello again, scientists. This storm makes me feel a little nervous, but it also makes me wonder, why does some weather feel so big and loud and, well, extreme? Well, today's the day. We'll learn all about extreme weather, what it is, what causes it, and how we can stay safe when it happens. Okay, scientists, today let's explore something called extreme weather. Extreme weather is just weather that's a little more powerful than usual. It might rain harder than normal, there might be stronger winds, and there might be loud sounds, like the thunder we just heard. The storm outside right now is called a thunderstorm, and it's one of the most common types of extreme weather. It includes everything I just mentioned. A lot of rain, strong winds, lightning, and thunder. But don't worry, there's always a way to stay safe. The best way to stay safe during a thunderstorm is to stay inside. When you hear thunder or see lightning, it's time to head indoors. You can stay safe and cozy by reading a book, playing a game, or even drawing while you wait for the storm to pass. But thunderstorms are just one type of extreme weather. There are other types too. Have you ever seen ice fall from the sky? It might sound crazy, but it really can happen. This is called hail. Hail can happen during some thunderstorms when the air way up high is freezing cold. Since it's so cold, the freezing air turns the raindrops into little balls of ice. Hail can be small, like pebbles, or big, like golf balls. Hail might look cool, but it's not something to play in. The best way to stay safe is by staying inside. Even small pieces of hail can fall fast, and they can really hurt. Flash flooding is another type of extreme weather that happens when it rains too much, too fast. The water doesn't have time to soak into the ground, so it rushes over streets and sidewalks. Can you guess the safest place to be when this happens? Yep, inside. Staying inside will keep us safe from rushing floodwaters until the storm is over. We've talked about a lot of extreme weather that can happen during a thunderstorm. But did you know that some extreme weather can happen when it's really cold outside too? Yep, blizzards are a type of extreme weather that happens when it's very cold and snowing outside. During these storms, a lot of snow falls, and there are very strong winds. This, along with ice and snow on the road, might make it unsafe to drive. Once again, the very best way to stay safe from these storms is to stay indoors where it's warm and cozy. Maybe read a book or grab some crayons and color. Now, it's time to get out your science sketchbook. Draw a picture of a time you remember extreme weather. Did you see a thunderstorm with rain and lightning? Or maybe a blizzard with lots of snow? Pause here and come back when you're done drawing. During that storm, you might have been scared or nervous, and that's okay. Extreme weather can be scary, but remember that it's not something that we have to worry about every day, and there's always a way to stay safe. Wow, we've learned about a lot of different types of extreme weather, and these are only a few. We saw how thunderstorms can rumble and flash, how hail can fall like little ice pebbles, how floods can rush through streets, and how blizzards bring piles of snow. But you know what sometimes happens after a big storm? When the sun comes out and shines through the raindrops? something amazing can appear in the sky. A beautiful rainbow full of color. Next time, we'll discover how rainbows are made. Until then, keep creating, and I'll see you in the Science Studio.
Hey, hey.